Good morning, friends. This is Alan, Victor Alpha 3 Bravo Hotel Yankee. Today's video is about my DIY 49:1 UNUN Transformer for end-fed half-wave antennas. First, you will need to cut 36 inches or 91.44 centimeters of this magnet wire. Next, choose one end of the magnet wire, fold back 7 inches to itself. I use a pencil to twist the 7 inches of wire. Here's the wire after a few turns of the pencil. I then wrapped the magnet wire around the core, as you can see on the photo above. Next, I cut the loop. Here is another way of winding the wire around the toroid core. And you notice that I soldered together the twisted wire. Back to the famous internet winding technique. I am now preparing to assemble this project. I have a plastic box, plastic cover, SO239, and the transformer. But before I can finally assemble this project, I need something to securely mount the transformer inside the box. I decided to use a plastic cutting board, and I measured 3.5 inches square and use this as the mounting piece for the transformer. I used a jigsaw to cut 3.5 inches square out of the plastic cutting board. I then test fit the plastic cutting board into the box. I drilled 2 holes to secure this board to the case, checking the alignment to the mounting studs. I am now marking the holes for the tie wraps. These tie wraps will secure the transformer onto the mounting board. Drilling the holes for the tie wraps. Here, I'm confirming that the holes were big enough to pass the tie wraps. I am marking the hole for the SO239. I am using this special drill bit to drill a hole large enough to fit the SO239. Marking the 4 holes needed to fix the SO239 securely to the case. Here you can see the SO239 mounted with 1 bolt. The purpose of that first bolt is for attaching the ground connection of the transformer. You can see the connector now with 3 screws and 1 bolt, securing it to the case. This is how it looks like inside the box. A hole is drilled for the antenna connector. The toroid is now mounted in the case using the 2 mounting screws. The transformer is now secured using tie wraps. The transformer input is soldered now to the center pin of the SO239, and the ground ring terminal is now secured to the ground nut of the SO239. At this point, the antenna wire is now with a ring terminal. The antenna wire is now secured to the antenna bolt terminal with wing nut. It is time to add a 100 picofarad 3 kilovolt capacitor. I believe the capacitor across primary has a matching role and always increases the efficiency regardless of single or multi-band use of an end-fed half-wave antenna. And lastly, I drilled 2 small holes to serve as ventilation holes. This will prevent any moisture buildup inside the box. Let's take one more look before I close the case. Presenting the completed 49 to 1 UNUN Transformer project. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. 73 from Victor Alpha 3 Bravo Hotel Yankee. Until the next video. Bye.